This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with another quick educational video, this time taking a look at momentum and how to recognize the probability and odds that an instrument might go into a fantastic run. So let's take a look at one of the recent winners in the market. The stock is NTLA, which for the month of June has gained more than 160% for this month alone. Now, if you take only the breakout level at about 80, actually was 80.25, which is the monthly closing high from the month of March, then the stock is up 150% at the highs of the month over the last couple of days. So 150% plus. And the beauty of this is it confirms what we already know about what it takes for an instrument to break out. So the stock was a breakout alert for paid clients to Muathe.com. The most recent breakout alert on June 7th, about 3 weeks ago, as it moved above the breakout buy point level of 80.25. As you can see here, buy point was at 80.25, which was the prior monthly closing high from the month of March. And this is a classic example of how to understand, how to capture, how to recognize momentum. There's a price breakout here. Take a look at your RSI, which was already trading above 69.1 and had been and continues to be above 69.1 since October of 2020. And we see a good example of what happens when an instrument makes a new RSI move to 3-year highs, if not all-time highs. So a classic example of understanding the power of RSI 69.1. And then we can see that the MACDs, of course, met the minimum requirements. Hence, it was on my breakout watch list. Hence, the alert that was sent out to paid clients. Simply put, this instrument met the minimum requirements of the ultimate Muathe breakout. Links for this method are going to be in the description of this video. Anybody can do this for themselves if you have the time and know what to look for. Otherwise, for those who don't have time, check out my paid service at Muathe.com for breakout alerts if you don't have the time or the experience to look for the next potential market leading breakout alerts. And remember, not all breakout alerts are going to behave the same. Not all are successful. It's just how the market goes. But at least it's good to understand the minimum requirements, because those that do end up exploding in price have shown the same characteristics over many years, if not decades. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love light like love. Namaste.